Yes, hello my dear friends. Welcome to Maths Academy by DG. Yes, today we are going to start one of the important chapter, that is the straight lines. Yes, from that I would like to give the explanation about the questions which are asking in the kcet and JEE Mains also. Yes. So now students see here, just wait, just I will skip this bar. Now the students observe here. So this is the very important for kcet and JEE Mains. Okay, got it? kcet and JEE Mains. Okay, so now we are taking the question, a straight line passing through the point. Actually, the chapter is now today we are taking the questions from the straight lines. So straight line passing through the point. Yes, straight line passing through the points 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. Or so we can find the equation of the straight line which is passing through the 2 point first. So that's why I'm taking here A and B are 2 points are having strengths. Okay, by joining these 2 points we will get one of the equation. Yes, say that is the straight line. Okay, so we know that how to find the equation of the straight line. Suppose he is giving the 2 point, we are having the formula that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, m into x minus x1. Or so in this, so what is the m actually? That is the slope of the straight line. So how we can find? Suppose he is giving the 2 points, that is the y2 formula for slope, m y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 by what? x2 minus x1. Completed now. So now I'm substituting the values here. Now I'm taking the point, this is the point A and this is the point B. Okay, we are not observing this point. Okay, 4 comma 4. First we are finding the equation just using the 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. By substituting in this, we will get the equation first. Okay, so that's why see students, already solution is having here. So slope of this straight line is actually we got, just I will remove this one once again. Yeah, yes, see now. Yes. So say this is x1 y1, this is what x2 y2. Now we are using the formula, we know that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Finally we got this. So just now I again explained the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So now we are taking the equation, the point is, yes, say this is the x1 y1, substitute in this, and the slope is minus 3 by 5. Okay. Or so next y minus 0 by taking the 5 on left hand side. Okay, 5 into y is 5y. Yes, just we are doing the simplification here. That is the little bit simplification, not the more toughest. Now substitute the minus 3 inside, so that is the minus 3x and minus plus 15. Or got it? Next friends, the simplification of this one, finally we got 3x plus, yes, 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now we have to find the length of the perpendicular from the point 4 comma 4. Okay, so we are having the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Actually a is 3 and b is 5 and c is minus 15. Okay, but what is x1 y1? That is from which point we are taking the perpendicular distance, that is the x1 y1. So 4 comma 4. Now substitute here. So the simplification of this one will be actually 17 by root 34. Root 34 can be written as 17 into 2. Okay, that's why in the numerator 17 can be written as root 17 into root 17. Or okay, and the denominator already having root 2 into root 17. So finally root 2 into root 17. Yes, so these two gets cancelled students. So we got the root 17 by root 2 means under root of 17 by 2. Okay, so this is the solution about the question. And the so actually, yes, wait, actually the solution is what? Option B is the our option. Okay, so now we will take the one more question friends. Yes, see, very interesting. The distance between the parallel lines. So we are going to find what? The distance between the parallel lines. Okay, there are two lines are having 8x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose I am giving the 1 minute of time for you people. Can you do this solution within 1 minute? Okay, this is very important for kcet and JEE. Yes, friends, we are finding the distance between the parallel lines. Okay, so remember one thing, if I am going to say the distance between the two parallel lines means, simply you people have to know that yes, that will be the coefficient of first equation, coefficient of x comma y in first equation should be same in the coefficient of x coefficient and y coefficient in the equation number 2. Okay, but the coefficient of x in the equation number 1, that is the 8, and the coefficient of x in the equation number 2, that is the 4. Okay, so but by observing this, we are not going to say directly which are not parallel equation, but actually it is a parallel equation only. These two are the parallel equations only. Okay, parallel straight lines. So how we can say that? So means, so we have to convert this. Okay, divide with 2 for this one. Yes, otherwise multiply with 2 for this. Okay, any one of these. Okay, divide with 2 for this, otherwise multiply with 2 for the equation number 2. So after multiplying, okay, you will be get the equation, but the distance formula d is equal to, I will write the distance between the parallel lines, modulus of c1 minus c2 by modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root of a square plus b square. Yes, or so this is, so now we will see the solution, the parallel lines. Okay, so see students, for equation number 2 we are multiplying with 2, finally we got the 8x, the next one is 6y and 50. Okay, so now see, this is the equation number 1 finally. Okay, and this is the equation number 2. Okay, what is the c1 in this? That is the 5 is the c1. Yes, and now this, what is the c2? That is the minus 50 is the c2. Okay, substitute in this. So what is a is 8 and b is 6. Finally 55 root 100, root 100 is 10. So finally, by doing the cancellation, yes, with 5 table you will get the 11 by 2. Okay, so I hope you are going to understand the today class. Okay students, okay, so we can cover all the questions one by one for kcet and JE level. Okay, each and every day. Thank you for watching my dear students.